Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this supposed to be for July the 18th to the 20th. So 20th naman ngayon. So freshly served. Mainit-init pa, no? So pasensyahan nyo na itong pagiging late. Alam nyo na kung bakit, no? Tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt. Ayan. So hindi lang kayo ang naghahanap ngayon, no? Sa mga impostor na nagtatago. Ayan. Meron ng kinauukulan. Ayan. So, fortunately, hindi naman tayo nagkasakit. Either way, no, this is your reading for July the 18th to the 20th. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading, doon po sa kabilang channel, meron din tayo. That's Babaylan TV. Nagla-live din po tayo doon. No? Babalik na ako mag-live kasi medyo nakakahinga na. Ayan. Pero pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live doon sa kabilang channel. Ayan. So, Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo, no? Oh wow. It kind of make me feel na bigla na lang dumating sa inyo itong either sagot, no? Either kasagutan, abundance, kumbaga, yung solution, no? There's also something here that you are manifesting. I feel like meron ditong isang celebrations or magkakaroon kayo ng celebration, no? Na kumbaga talaga ipagdiriwang nyo. Not just because it's a birthday, it's not also a holiday. This is a celebration that you created, no? For a few numbers of you, I'm seeing na it's either this is a visa, no, na pwedeng ma-approved or makakatanggap kayo about your job, no, job opportunity, whether this is dito lang or abroad. But I'm seeing here travel. I just need to butt that in. Pero when it comes to relationship, it kind of make me feel na you wanted to be, sabihin natin, in a committed relationship with this person. You probably waited waited. You also probably wished, prayed for it. Kumbaga, sa tagal-tagal na tagal-tagal na panahon na tinitignan mo lang siya, no, lalo na sa mga singles, no, parang talaga ba? Poporma na rin sa akin itong si crush, no, doon sa mga in a mutual understanding. It kind of make me feel na parang eto na, no, gagawin niya ng official. I feel like medyo matagal-tagal itong pag-aantay natin, pero sabi nga nila sa haba-haba ng prosesyon, no, sa simbahan din naman ang tuloy dahil nararamdaman mo din naman na somewhat bibigay din naman si person, no? With the King of Cups, Two of Wands, Eight of Wands, Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups. So it kind of make me feel. I mean, this is a confirmation of the Knight of Cups and yung sinasabi natin dito Treasured Island, no? It's a really slow process, though, pero you feel that it is going to move. It is already moving. In fact, medyo nagre-reciprocate na rin itong si person, no? Meron, I think si person, meron mga either ginagawa, sinasabi. It might not be, sabihin natin, ginagawa, pero hindi sinasabi. So it's through actions, no? So parang through actions, meron siyang mga, kumbaga, palipad hangin, no? Yung mga titig niya iba, so parang nagre-reciprocate na itong si person, no? I feel like meron kang sinabi dito kay person and then parang nagkaroon si person ng oo nga, bakit hindi? So, it's either sinabi or ginawa kasi I feel like in some way natulungan mo siya doon sa kanyang lowest point in life, no? Or sabihin natin yung pinaka-lowest moment or rock bottom, no? It just so happened with the King of Wands, Six of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, the Justice, and the Death Card. So, I feel like yung iba sa inyo, no, um, nagpatuloy itong relasyon, nagpatuloy itong connection ninyo. May pauses eh. I feel like for a few numbers of you may sumingit, no? Ah, hindi naman tayo makapalag dahil um, nagbigay ng attention, affection, no? Itong si person. But then, sabi nga natin, bibigay ka rin, no? So, ito na yung parang wish fulfillment, ito na yung answered prayers. With the King of Wands, the Six of Cups, there are moments na parang siguro, lumamlam yung takbo, if not nag-stop, no? Kasi nga na-focus itong si person sa ibang, yung attention niya na-focus sa ibang direction. With the Six of Cups, the Queen of Cups, and the Ace of Wands, sabihin natin dito yung iba, it's more of situationship, no? Kasi there are times na yung passion ninyo, no? Parang kulang na lang talaga yung sinasabi nating commitment per se, na sasabihin natin we are in a relationship, no? Wala kasi agreement dun. So chances are, if this is not crushes or mutual understanding kind of type, it kind of make me feel na meron talaga ditong somewhat reciprocation na ng energies, pero wala pa dun sa part ng official. Pero I think this is gonna be official. Dire-diretso, no? With the Ten of Pentacles, so meron siya ditong parang realization of, sige, bakit hindi ko ibibigay, di ba? Bakit hindi ko ita-try? Bakit hindi naman din, siguro deserve din naman ni Capricorn, no? Itong relationship kasi nakita ko na nag-aantay siya, no? Let's see some more cards. With the Page of Pentacles, I think na unti-unti itong sabihin natin pagbibigay niya ng abundance, no? The Sun and the Wise One. For a few numbers of you, parang dumating na yung realization, no, na hanap ako ng hanap ng iba. Tingin ako ng tingin sa iba. Yung hinahanap ko, nasa harap ko lang pala, no? Again, hindi ito sasabihin ng verbal, through words, no? Sasabihin or gagawin ito at mararamdaman mo na parang unti-unting nagsasubmit sa commitment si person, no? So tignan natin dito ang feeling. This could be your feelings, this could be your person's feelings. Let's check, no? Tignan natin. Can you hear me whisper your name? And I think about you all the time. So ito na yung parang unti-unting obsession, unti-unting submission like what I mentioned. And there are times na namimiss ka na rin ni person. There are times na parang hinahanap-hanap na rin niya, no? Itong sabihin nating presensya mo, no? So I feel like this person is really slowly, no? Having these feelings for you, falling in love for you, being obsessed with you. This is a lasting commitment, no? Kung dadare-diretso nyo lang to, no? Yeah, that is your reading. So tingnan natin ang zodiac sign, no? Nitong person na ito. That this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Nagsimula siya sa Scorpio, Libra, Taurus, Leo, Pisces, no? Cancer. I'm seeing Scorpio, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. Yan, nabuo dun yung water placements. Virgo is also here. Capricorn is also here. So, earth signs buo. So, yan ang iyong reading, no? Capricorn, nagpakakapwa Capricorn ito, no? So, this is your reading. No, Cappies, again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, dun po sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, nagla-live po tayo doon. Pwede po kayong sumali. May mga readings din po doon. So, magpapatuloy na po, no? Somewhat, umaayos na yung schedule. Again, sorry po sa pagiging late. Alam niyo naman kung bakit. No? Tuloy ang manhunt. Dalawa na po yung fake accounts. So, report, then send, no? Dun sa email na ginawa ko para makabunot ako ng free personal reading. And pwede kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the questions answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi naman po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, no, apart from the fake links and the email, nandun din po ang aking link sa aking website. Doon lang po ako magta-transact, no? Yep. How much per question, the QR code, the number, no, the name that you can compare. Apart from that, hindi na ako yun. And also, I created a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. And if you also want to book a private reading or personal reading, dun po yan sa description box. So this is your reading, Capricorn. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.